Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Dear 2022, thanks for the memories.
Let us start. You can do this trend on any editing application you have. I'm using CapCut. You need 17 photos or videos for this trend, so go to New Project and add your photos or videos whichever you want to use. Now select Format 9:16. Now adjust your all clips to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. First type Dear 2022. Choose font and style, and then apply text layer till the first clip. Now write second text, and then apply text layer till the second clip. Now check your video and then export.
Dear 2022, thanks for the memories.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.